In today's video, we're going to be actually turning tables and looking at the tables and the values in the tables into linear equations by looking at the trends and trying to find the slope and trying to find the y-intercept like we've done before. Now, we've kind of done this before when we did when we're trying to find the slope of 2 points, okay? So very similarly, we're going to find the slope by figuring out the change in the y value over the change in the x value. So the rise over the run. So you look at the trend of this table. You notice in the y values, it goes up 6, up 6, up 6, up 6. So this trend here is going up 6. Now this trend, you notice, is going up 1, up 1, up 1. So my slope is 6 over 1, which is just 6. All right, so that's my m. Now my b value is where the line hits the y-axis. I'm going to draw a little bit different looking diagram over here. So if I have a line, okay, this line is going to intercept the y-axis at this point right here. Now, the coordinate of that point right there is always going to be 0. So in the table, if there's a value, an x value of 0 right here, that is the y-intercept, which is 7. So this point right here would be 0, 7 on this line. So my answer, so this would be my b then. And so we have my m and we have my b, and my equation would be y equals, you don't have to type y equals, it's already there, 6x plus 7. Submit. Yes. Awesome. All right. Let's look at a new one. Let's look at this one right here. This one goes, here we go. This one right here goes up. Now, if you can't tell from the negative to here, just look at the next one, 6 to 14. 6 goes up 8 to get to 14. Goes up 8 to get to 22. Goes up 8. So these right here are going up 8 over 1. So your slope is 8 over 1, which is just 8. The y-intercept, again, is where the x value is 0. So that's your b. So my equation is y equals 8, the m, x minus 2, right? Or plus negative 2. We don't have to put plus negative. Submit. Yes, sir. And we'll just do one more. Let's try to find a tricky one here. No. I think these are all pretty much starting at 0. Yeah. The next skill, when we're going to do tables to linear equations, level 2, they're not all going to start at 0. And so I'll have to show you what you do with that. But let's do this right here. Negative 4 to 5. You're not good with negatives. Let's just look at the next one. 5 to 14 goes up 9. 14 to 23 goes up 9. Goes up 9. 9 over 1. All right. So this goes up 9 over 1. So your slope is 9 over 1, which is just 9. And your b is right here, -4. And so my equation then is going to be y equals 9x minus 4. All right, so that's it for today's lesson. Again, you're just finding the trend on the table, okay? Finding the slope and then finding the y-intercept of whatever is next to the 0 and plugging those in and into your y equals mx plus b for your equation. In the next lesson, we're probably going to look at problems that do not have the 0 to start off with, so it's not as easy to find the b. Okay, so good luck with these problems. Reach out if you need to ask any questions or need any help. All right, thank you for watching.